Hello everyone. We have 14
Good evening.
cases.
Yeah, 14 cases of the 0910.
14.
Yeah.
Up there.
I hope we pull another green card.
Few
Yeah.
more.
Last time we pulled the Jordan 1 of 1, remember? Now, as you can see, he's advanced already with the 2010 East uniform of LeBron.
Tribute to?
Limited.
It's even the jerseys now are limited edition.
It's
Look,
38 of 100.
38 of 100.
And of course, Rudiger, as you can see, he's wearing.
This is the exact jersey that the exact make of the jersey LeBron will wear. It's an authentic version.
And
even the jacket.
The jacket, look, very nice, huh?
It's the same as the one sold in the NBA store, but the difference is it's the player issue.
Yeah.
Yes.
And of course,
it's all patch. Look, all patch. Nice.
and of course, the MVP of the All-Star again, Kobe Bryant, as you can see, Lakers. And of course, Rudiger is wearing a fake T-shirt of LeBron.
no.
From Divisoria, only 120 pesos. That's about $2.50.
No, that's not true.
This one is about
original.
$2,000.
We would like to thank Adidas Hong Kong and NBA Hong Kong
For releasing them
for
ahead of
releasing
time.
early.
Rudiger, how come you're wearing fake T-shirt?
Let's see if we'll get a one of one LeBron.
I hate you. Go well, logo man, come on.
James Johnson.
Uy. Ooh,
What's that?
Quintin Richardson. It's
Oh,
the first time
goodness.
we pulled the Quintin.
Why?
Why?
Dwight Howard.
What's
Otto.
that? Buyback?
Oh,
Buyback.
Tatlo dyan.
Oh, tapos na dyan.
Dewan Blair.
Uy! Uy! Oh,
nice.
Randolph. Oh, but
Nice.
he's injured. God damn.
But it's gonna be...
Injured ba? Yeah, injured.
That will sell well because...
Since we're
He's got very good potential, but got
it's all
injured.
potential.
All potential.
Just like him, all potential.
Yeah. Potential to be a man. Oh!
Why is he? Wait, he's not. He's a man.
Rudiger is doing very well, actually. The
player.
Rudiger player, yeah. Doing very well, huh?
Bargnani. BJ Mullins.
Al Thornton. Oh, this must be
Oh,
a good
come on,
fourth
give us
card.
something.
The fifth card should be good.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Limited logos of Larry Bird.
Good enough,
Not bad.
good
enough.
Yung gitna, luma, maganda. The one we posted ended $238.
Good enough.
Yung ano, yung...
What shirt are you wearing? Show them.
Yeah.
All-Star of LeBron.
LeBron All-Star 2010.
Nice.
There was a Kobe issue of that. I did
Yeah.
not get it.
Yeah, because he wants to, piss me off.
I was
But he got me the Lakers jacket
with the
with the hood.
To cover the bald head.
For the poker, I play. I'm a
Yes,
professional
yes.
poker player in the Philippines.
Yes, that's right.
again Bargnani.
Sam Young.
That Sam Young. Oh,
Amare.
I got nervous when there's a side auto. Looks
Why?
like a dual logo man.
Who's this? Shaquille.
Shaquille.
Gold.
James Johnson.
Oh,
17.
James Johnson gold.
And a Paul
And a
Pierce.
Paul Pierce jersey.
I would like to request Mr.
Let's look at-
It's your turn, Mr.
Let's see
Rudiger.
who's lucky again.
Let's see if your luck has changed.
Why?
Uy, maganda na ako last time Mas maganda na ako mo.
What are you talking about? You speak English. They
Ah,
don't understand what
Oh,
you're
I'm
saying.
sorry. You got something better?
Oh.
CB4.
Oh,
Wait,
it's
sorry.
gold.
No.
What's that?
No. James Johnson.
James Johnson.
Kareem.
Kareem
Uy.
Abdul-Jabbar.
Wow.
Ooh, with the
Signature
jersey
patch,
that appears to not have been washed.
Iguodala.
Iguodala patch, yes.
Almost
From the
two
shorts.
color.
Hansbro.
Tyler Hansbrough and
Danny Granger.
Oh.
Pero walang regular card.
Don't explain. No need to explain.
I hate you. Hoy! Patchy.
Uy! Uy! What?
Something.
Something nice?
We don't know.
Do two plastics eh.
It's plastic,
Buyback
but there's an
only.
autograph.
Buyback.
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 Yes.
Yeah. Oh.
Steve.
Oh, jersey number.
2 of 30.
Oh, see?
Oh, jersey number of kid, huh?
Jeff
Green.
Green.
Alam mo naman Durant to. I thought it was Durant.
Uy!
7 of 7.
7 of 7, Bargnani.
Wait,
Bargnani?
did this come from his
Rookie year.
Oh, rookie year.
Yes.
Oh my
Nice.
God.
7 of 7?
Oh, 7 of 7.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Nice
look.
one, huh?
Jersey number.
No, but the problem is
Oh,
upper deck, you're bad, huh?
you're bad, huh? You put the Bargnani RC number pieces, 7 of 7,
This
huh?
is from his rookie year, no?
Yeah.
Looks like it.
That's
Game.
nice.
06, 07.
And he's playing well.
Nice.
Kabats
he's
na
playing
si, Brandon Roy.
Yeah, yeah,
Ayan,
yeah.
oh, tama.
Wow, 7 of 7.
Wow.
That's bad. That also used to be a redemption, huh?
Yeah.
Ah, that was a redemption?
Yeah,
I think
it was a
they were
redemption
not
before.
able to redeem everything,
New.
And they gave us the 7 of 7. 1 of 1.
I know.
Nice.
Jordan!
Jordan!
3 of 15.
15,
Wow.
nice.
You're
Later,
lucky
later.
tonight, huh?
Oh, Shakil. Yeah, when they give
Dalawa.
Mr.
Is this your first case?
Yeah.
What can you say?
Let's
What
see,
can
ah.
you say? Huh?
Not wait, let's see first.
We'll see. I
So
hope.
he got the Bargnani and the Jordan.
Yeah, the Jordan.
Also the Jason
Patch.
Kidd jersey number.
And the jersey number of Kid.
Oh, please, come on,
Let's
don't
see if you
embarrass
still
me.
have Logomans.
Base card. Oh, Johnny
Johnny
Flynn. What's this?
No, that's,
Signature patch
yeah,
of
yeah.
Mike BB. My God. It's on the other side.
Gold.
Gold. Exquisite
Tyrick,
rookie.
Tyrick.
Tyrick, come on. Yes! Tyrick Evans! 10 of 12! Yes! Mga
Nice.
600, 700
Wait,
din yan,
isn't
bro.
that his rookie jersey? What's his rookie?
No, it's
No,
rookie
it's
jersey
12,
12. So it's 10 of 12. See
no,
that?
what he's wearing right now.
Oh,
13 ba?
sick. Oh,
Another gold.
Jamal Crawford.
Wow! Look at the patch.
Look at the patch! It's New York Knicks! Oh my God!
Oh, I think
Oh, you're beaten already. Sorry. The price of this is already the Bargnani and the Jordan.
Wow.
Yeah, ganda.
yeah, I think
Wow.
it's kind
The
of
Crawford is sick.
Gold
Kind
type.
Look at that. It's in the center. New York Knicks, but he's wearing the Warriors.
No,
Bakit nga?
because he used to play for the Knicks.
Yeah,
yes,
that's why.
Nice.
Okay.
Ito naman matatanda.
Base card. Ginobili. Oh, BJ Mullens. Uy, exquisite rookie.
Patch.
Oh, wait.
You want Jordan?
No more.
Bald. Make it bald, please.
Jordan.
Bald.
Oh,
No,
there's
with-
here.
Force B, Force B.
Or Gordie Howe.
Oh,
Gordie
25 of 25.
Gordie
Nice
Howe.
number.
Yes,
Yeah.
Mr. Hockey himself.
Oh.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, not bald. Oh my God, I thought it's bald.
Bald? Like
Bald.
you?
Yeah, bald like me.
Ganda.
God damn.
May Gordie Howe pa.
Yeah, okay, last.
So you won again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's your turn again.
Yes, it's my turn again.
What about the cameraman?
He's wearing his
Later,
lucky.
Oh, I got
yes.
two plastics.
But that's
Yes.
only a rookie autograph of Wayne Ellington.
Wayne
Most-
Ellington.
Oh
as
yeah,
usual.
that's right.
Oh.
Is he even playing?
Uy, who is that?
Deron Williams.
Deron Williams.
Yes.
Ah, oh my God. Got nervous. Again, it's
LeBron.
oh LeBron James, 24. Okay, Tabit and Quad.
The Spurs.
Ate some of the
Okay.
Spurs and
And
the
the
Dallas
Mavs.
Mavericks.
Wait. Add a timer.
Okay.
Okay, 9 minutes.
Cut mo na, cut
We'll
mo
see you
na, cut mo
later.
na.